gorgeous road here. Headed out of north out of Missoula, Montana at this point. Try to get out of people's way because doing just a little bit over the speed limit just isn't enough for some people. Right up ahead of us. Oh, yeah. Just look at those mountains. I've been coming up here a lot of years, and this view right here, every single time, pop over that hill, and you get to see this stuff here. Oh, just breathtaking. Just right up ahead, if you've ever traveled around the west, that there bridge is what they call the Wildlife Bridge. And the 5-0, turn it down a hair. Or maybe not, maybe just to look like it. Woo! What a day it has been. When we get to the top of this canyon, it's another breathtaking view. You've probably seen those signs there that basically are a couple languages, and that's because we're on the Flathead Indian Reservation. Get ready for your treat. This is right here. The Flathead Valley, the land of the cherries. And Glacier National Park, and huckleberries. My, what a beautiful sight. Almost looks like a waterfall over there. sign off. You guys, you're gonna keep filming for a little bit longer, and you guys can enjoy the view. As you can see, the large body of water, that is Flathead Lake. We're now in Polson, Montana. There you have it. Big old lake. Oh, this traffic must be rush hour or something. Folks coming back from work, or I don't know. It's pretty wild. No, it's a big tourist destination, but a lot of these places are local. I'm betting it is. It's right down on the water now. Hmm. 89 degrees. I think I'm gonna have to jump in that water when we get to the house. Boy, it's gonna feel refreshing.